witches. My name is Deb. Thank you for watching. Of course, what we have today, we have an unboxing, and this is from a company that I've worked with in the past for other websites and things, but I'm going to review this one for me today. This is Spooky Box Club. I have been a huge fan of Spooky Box Club for years. I think that their items are, especially if they're ones that are made just for the box, I think that they are awesome. And this is their Healthy Goth box. So I'm so excited. I know that I think for Pop Culture Minefield I will be reviewing their Salem box coming up, I believe. I'm crossing my fingers for that one. But yeah, am I in focus? I am in focus. It's my contacts, which, by the way, if you like these are the Sweetie Black Circle lenses from Unique So. Unsettling, aren't they? Okay, so let's go ahead and dig in. This is a spooky box, so when you first open it... Whoop. Okay, so I will be honest and say that I have gone through this and I know what's inside, because when it first came, I wanted to make sure that I've been wiping everything down for safety purposes, and normally I would just kind of leave it, but I couldn't. My anxiety and my OCD and germophobia just wouldn't allow it. So I have wiped everything down. Now I do know that this item is supposed to be in the box, but due to COVID-19, it will arrive later. This is their drink up, which is cute little bottle. I cannot wait for that. So next up, these were all in packages. I have since removed the plastic and everything like that, so I can wipe things down. But this is a cute, it's a cute little headband. Hot hair. Wait, try not to ruin my makeup. Oh, okay. Okay, ready? Wait. Wait. So if you have your hair up, this is a cute little headband so that you're not like sweating all over the place, and it has like a little moon. I love that. And it's not too tight on my gigantic head, which I also appreciate. Usually headbands and things like that are just way too small on my pumpkin head. Okay, so next up, they always have a little sweet treat in there, and this is a sporty theme, and this is tennis balls, gumballs. These are cute. These are so cute. And they're lemon flavored. Okay, there's always a pin. And this is Running from My Demons. It's hard to see. That's cute. I do wish this would double backed, because it will spin quite a bit. But I still love it. Right, next up are these Spiral Sport hair ties. I have been wanting to try these. I'm curious how. Okay, so it comes in black, like a cute little pink, purple, and clear. Oh. 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 I didn't. Okay, for some reason I didn't like these. Won't hold hair. Like. Oh, these are awesome. Okay. Well, I maybe the most excited about those. Where did my box go? I am really liking those. That like stayed in there, and I love the spooky colors. All right, next up looks like a little microfiber towel. Cute little skulls. Okay, the tag says Spooky Box Club, which is cute, but it says exercise. I thought you said exorcise. Get it? And it's got little snaps, so you can like attach it to things, which is super cute. Super cute. For when I work out. I don't work out. Bam. For when I work out. Oh, you know what? It's not for lack of wanting to, it's just lack of motivation. But you know what? Maybe this will make me work out. I've actually, people have been talking about the Quarantine 15, but I've actually, I think since November, I've lost 2 dress sizes. So since just being in quarantine, I've lost a pant size, which is nice. I don't know how. I think it's just the anxiety keeping me from eating. But yeah, apparently quarantine is the diet I never knew that I didn't want. No, I knew I didn't want that, but okay. So next up we have a little sign which I will be framing and sitting next to my bed that says you got this. That's really cute. I like that. That's motivation I can get behind. And the last item is a daily workout tractor. Daily workout tracker. It says you got this. Pick 4 different colors for the key above and use them to fill your chart daily. So this is a cute little tracker. Got little skulls on it. I like that. Cute. I like that. We'll be using that. Okay, so let's see if we got everything. The moon headband, drink up, which is water bottle, which we did not get. Hopefully we'll be getting that soon. Daily workout I keep wanting to say tractor. Running for my demons pin, motivational art print, spooky skull gym towel, spiral gym hair ties, and then tennis ball bubble gum, which are vegetarian, in case you needed to know that. But yeah, this was really, really cute. Again, another Spooky Box Club box that I love. I've never seen a Spooky Box Club box that I didn't think was awesome. So this was actually sent to me by Spooky Box Club, so thank you, Dan at Spooky Box Club, for sending this to me. I really, really appreciate it. I will, even though they sent it to me, I'm not being paid to review it. I'm just a fan. I've worked with them in the past for other websites, and I just really like them. So I will link below how you can get yours for yourself. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, if you could subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And I will see you, I will see you Spooky Babes in the next one. Bye.